Yep.
Use it.
So we're gonna let this guy heat up and then we're gonna put in the burger and the Welcome back to Alex and Max. What's that?
Daddy.
Yeah.
The thing is not working so good. See?
Oh, it's squeezed. Hold on. Max run the car on it. I think it's better now. Yeah. Oh, you... It's good?
Yeah.
Max.
Daddy,
Max.
look what I can do.
Max, stop running the car on the thing, bro.
And then I can go back in. This is the secret. This is the secret passage.
You good? You good?
Mm.
Okay. You good? Join themselves. Yeah. That's Max right there. Yeah, you look like you want a haircut. Beautiful day, guys. It's a beautiful day. Nice sunny day with a light cool breeze. So they say they want some hot dogs
And burger.
And what?
And burger.
Hot dogs and burgers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just went to the supermarket, just came back.
Daddy.
Yeah,
Max is running over it again.
Max not listening. So we just went to the supermarket, we got the burger, we got the hot dogs, yeah, we got the buns, we got the rolls, and also we got some strawberry. The kids love fruits, so I picked them up some oranges, some strawberry.
I like cookie cream.
These guys are some little, what do they call them, Kisco Pops or something like that.
I think
And,
you should call them what they're called.
Pick up some
Fun pop.
toothpaste
You should
sauce.
call them their pot.
We're getting ready again to do another blessing project. So ShopRite have toothpaste like 99 cents. So I just pick up 12 of them. So this is what we're gonna do now, guys. Sort them out right now, because they say they want hot dogs and burgers. So that's what they're gonna get. Alright, guys. So stay tuned and follow me and see what's going on. Let's go on.
Stay tuned, guys, for the best part. Eating the hot dogs and the burgers. It's gonna be. Daddy,
Yeah.
can I help you cook?
Hold
Can I
on.
take them out of the...
Not yet, Alex. What's that? Is that a plane?
Yeah?
Oh.
What does it say?
I think he has a thing on it marked Bud Light beer, something like that. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna light up the fire, see if we can get these burger hot dogs on it and get it started.
And guys, I'm gonna be helping Daddy too.
Yeah, we're just getting some little piece of
Twigs.
to put in the coal to make it light quick.
Oh
So
my
these
God,
are from the hydrangeas. So
Hydrangeas, they're
yeah.
almost
So
blooming. You see that? That's the flowers and stuff.
this is what we're gonna use to catch a fire, guys.
Yeah, break them up. Oh, you're putting them in a circle and putting them in the middle and putting the twig in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh.
So
It's just like a little can that you put, but you don't use coal.
we are lighting up the fire and getting it ready so we can put the what do you call it? What do you call it, Alex?
Burger?
Burgers and what?
What? Burgers and hot dogs.
And hot dogs.
Yeah.
Here they are, guys. Here are they.
You use these first and you use the meat because the buns are fine because you don't need to cook them. Only the hot dog and the meat.
Really? It's a stick.
The steak right there. Ugh. Wow. You want big burger. Make a little hole. Be careful, Daddy. You will get burned.
I have it right here. Eric. Watch Max. Watch Max. So we're gonna let this guy heat up and we're gonna put in the burger and the So yeah guys, so we got our burger right here. We got our hot dogs, we got our buns, and we got our rolls. Yeah.
The rolls, the meat, the hot dogs, and the hot dog and the burger bun.
Yep.
Daddy, here's Daddy's barbecue.
I'm back.
Home.
Yeah, I do need tongues, but I brought the. You'll get the tongues. You see the burger. You see the, what do you call them? Beef patties. Oh, they're not bad.
Here it is.
What they look like, guys. Not bad at all. They say it's 100% beef. It's alright. There they are, guys. These are the beef patties. Yeah. And these are the hot dogs.
Guys, I'm back with the tongue.
Yeah, guys. So, since it's just four of us, me, my wife, Max, and Alex, we're only gonna do 4 of the beef patties and 4 of the hot dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we can save some for another day, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, do the meat for the burgers look like bread? Comment down below if they look like bread.
So yes guys, as I say, it's just 4 of us, so I'm just doing 4 of the beef patties and 4 of the hot dogs. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Cover this guy up and let this guy get taken care of. Yeah. Bam.
Doing some of the stuff, okay?
Okay.
Daddy, tell me when the burger and the hot dogs are ready, because I'm going to stay here until the burger and the hot dogs are, until the meat and the hot dogs are ready.
Okay. Yeah. Let me see if I can fit in there. I don't think I can fit. No, it's squeezing back out the air. Let's see what this.
3 to 20 years old.
Yeah, these guys are getting something out. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm making hot dogs and burger, bro. This is dinner today. Yeah. Close on this guy and let him sit. Look at that. Nice, yo. You want to help me? You want to help me? See what's on the grill?
Yeah.
Alright, let me lift up the grill. There you go. One hot dog for you. 1 burger for you. Right? You can eat off a burger and a hot dog for yourself?
No more.
You can eat off a burger and a hot dog for yourself?
Yeah.
I don't think so. What are you eating? Why your mouth look like that? Cookie? You are eating cookie? I don't think so. Oh, it's the banana. The banana you are eating make your mouth look like that? Fight you and the banana when I fight? I fight you and the banana when they fight? Where you fighting with the banana?
And the banana one.
And the banana one? Yep. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at those burgers and those hot dogs. That's what they're for.
Wow, I think they're almost ready.
Yeah. Don't run it on the Max. Don't run it on the bounce house, Max. Yo. Oh, let me see if I can go in this bounce house too.
You can only fit right here.
Yeah.
You're baking it! Daddy, you're sinking it!
I'm not sinking it.
Yes, you are!
Where am I sinking it, Alex? Hold your sneakers. Where's the next one? Yeah. What are you doing? You don't want to come in the bounce house, Max? You just want to drive? No, we're not going outside. No, we're staying in the backyard, bro. Yeah. It's fun being a kid?
Yes!
Yeah, that's true.
Because you can go in the pool!
So the burgers and the hot dogs are ready, and we're gonna put on the cheese on the burger. I don't know if I'm gonna do the Kraft singles or we're gonna do the Avachi deli. You want to try this one?
Really?
One for you,
Me.
and one for Papa.
What for Pop is going to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It looks like a sandwich.
Which one you want? You want this one?
I want the one with the pink on it.
Buy it in it? Yeah. Okay. You really make a mess of it, man. You made a mess of it.
Really? I want to eat with my t-shirt out.
No, you can stand chill over here.
Oh, yay.
You finish? This was quick. You eat off the whole entire thing? You good? Max finish. Please. Yeah. Beautiful. Yep. Now, they had a hot dog. They say that they are not hungry and they say that they're full. They don't want a burger, but hey, I'm gonna eat my burger.
The burger, try it. How is it? It's good?
Yeah. Not so bad?
No. Yeah.
You want vegetable, huh? Or ketchup?
No, you still put ketchup on it and lettuce. So it's very good.
Okay. You good? Guys, they had their hot dogs. Alex had a piece of the burger. Max don't want no burger. He's just driving, so I'm not gonna force him to eat it. He just wanna enjoy himself. So I'm just gonna leave him let he do his thing. You good? Yeah. Alright. So Alex, why did you blow it up back, Alex? Why did you blow it back up?
I wanted to play.
Okay. It's time for them to wind down. Alright, Papa, say goodbye to the viewers. Say goodbye. What that's a kiss goodbye? Say goodbye, Alex.
Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, push that post notification so you won't miss an epic video. And subscribe to my daddy's channel. It's Alex and it's Mannix Robinson TV.